Hello. Let's do some fun makeup with some orange and red. First, I always start out with my favorite moisturizing serum. This has some hyaluronic acid in it, so it really helps hydrate the skin. And it just makes your skin feel so good. I'm going in with this mattifying primer all over the skin. I have dry skin, but this actually is really nice on dry skin. We are going in with my favorite serum foundation. By the way, I will have everything linked in my bio. Going in with the concealer, 3 shades lighter than our foundation. Just like to blend out with the same kabuki brush. Use a foundation for contour. This is a cream foundation. And we are going to apply this on the jawline, around the forehead, down the side of the nose, and underneath the lower lip. Same kabuki brush. I like to do these little tapping motions and slowly blend upward. Then once I get to the hairline, I like to blend this back towards the hair. Translucent setting powder, I always like to start right underneath the eyes. Now that we are all set, I like to go on with a little bit of bronzer. So we're going to be using a matte bronzer today, and I'm going to apply this in all the same areas that we applied the contour shade. But one little trick I like to do to create a really flawless, seamless blend is I like to grab a fluffy powder brush and just lightly blend all of the bronzer in, and I'll also do this with the blush and the luminizer. Corally orange blush, and I always like to apply my blush right above the bronzer, and I like to do it in like an oval shape to give a nice contour effect. Blend again, light champagne, and I'm gonna apply this right above that blush, and then down the middle of the nose. Again, we're just gonna lightly blend that luminizer out. Now that our foundation is done, let's move on to the brows. Going in with this dip brow in the color Taupe. And we're gonna use this little spoolie angled brush, middle part of the brow, and work our way out. Going in with a brown today, we're gonna apply this right in the crease area. Absolutely love that. So I thought it'd be fun to incorporate some orange with this look. So we are going to fade out this brown with some orange, and then I'm also going to apply this on the lid underneath the lower lash line. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so then I'm going to take that luminizer that we used before, and I'm going to pop this in the inner corner of the eye just to brighten it up a little bit. So now we're going to clean up this eyeshadow edge with a little bit of our foundation and a flat brush. Take this new red liner and do a little accent wing. I absolutely love how that looks, so we're gonna apply a little bit underneath the lower lash line, and then I'm just gonna grab a little Q-tip and smudge it out so it's more faded. So cool. So let's put some mascara on, and then we'll do our lips. One of my favorite current lip combos. So first what you're gonna do is take your foundation, we're gonna nude out our lips. Lip liner by NYX, and it's called Urban Cafe, and we're gonna outline our lips with this. Then I just like to add a little bit of gloss on top. Rub your lips together so it kind of blends everything together. On a little more blush using this purple blush color just at the top. Little cutie magnetic eyelashes. And I like to double stack these with Lil Foxy magnetic lashes. Let me take my hair down so you can see the finished result. Here is the finished makeup look. Turned out so fire. I love it so much. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like it and give me a follow if you want to see more makeup tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.